Handy Hudsonite here. How do you find a mechanic that you can trust who can get the job done when it comes to your car maintenance and repairs? Well, even though the focus of my channel when it comes to auto repair and maintenance is how to do it yourself, you might be asking yourself, well, that really isn't for me, the DIY lifestyle, and that's perfectly okay. So what I want to do is give you some tips for how you can find a good mechanic or shop to work on your vehicle. The first thing you want to do is you want to scour the internet and look for reviews and what people are saying about a particular shop or mechanic that's in your area that wouldn't be too far away. And if there aren't any direct reviews online, number one, that could be indicating a couple of things. Number one, either the shop doesn't have time or doesn't want to broadcast its services online, or if for whatever reason people are not posting the reviews, and that could indicate that they're either not that busy or people aren't having good experiences. So you could always ask around in your relationship network among your friends and family what mechanics they trust in your area and why, and don't be afraid to ask them a lot of different questions to find out what their experiences have been like. And you could even call certain shops when you narrow down your list to shops that look promising. Call them up and tell them about what you want them to do on your car and just see how they interact with you. A lot of times you can find out a lot about the way a shop runs by the way they treat you on the phone. Do they seem like they're in a hurry? Do they seem to not really care and they just want to set the appointment? Maybe they're not answering the phone at all, or whatever. Just begin to read into the way that they're interacting with you. And when you focus in on one or two shops that seem to be at the top of your list and you still have doubts, don't be afraid to just go to that shop, drive over there, and interact with them in person and see how they treat you. See how the shop is run. Is it dumpy? And I have been to shops that aren't kept up that great, but they actually do a decent job with repairs. They're just not putting a lot of time and effort into the customer's waiting room or whatever it might be. And go there and just meet the owner or meet the manager, whoever, the people that are working, and see how you're treated and see how the experience goes. And once you find the shop that you've decided to take your car to habit maintenance, then when you take it in, make sure they're clear on what you want them to do on your car and whether you can drop the car off and come back later. Maybe they have a loaner car they can give you. Maybe they have a shuttle service. And then once you come back, once they're finished with the repairs, pay attention to how they describe to you what they did and insist on looking over the engine with them, particularly before you pay, and make sure to watch the video I have on how to why you should be checking your engine after a repair or maintenance job, and have them walk you through what they did. And of course, we want to make sure that the price is reasonable, that you're not paying an arm and a leg for the service that you're getting. And then as you ask them about what if something goes wrong related to the repair, once you drive away a couple days later, find out what sort of warranty they have, and then evaluate your experience in how your car runs after the repair. And then when you take your car back again for another repair or maintenance, just find out what sort of programs they have as far as when you become a regular customer, if they have discounts, or if they're doing a diagnostic. Sometimes a shop will apply that diagnostic cost to the repair, which I had done recently, which was really nice because I got $120 off the repair job because the diagnostic they did applied to it. So I appreciate you watching. Hope this has been helpful. I'm the Handy Hudsonite who gives you tips, hacks, and reviews so that you can get the job done. Be sure to subscribe to my channel hit that notification bell so that you can get up-to-date content when it goes up on my channel. And I will look forward to seeing you in the next video.